So hello guys, welcome back to How to Refresh It Up. I'm your friend Vicky Ansari. Once again, I welcome you all to my channel How to Refresh It Up. Yeah, it's 2018. We are finally in 2018, and this is my first video in this year. So, yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. Today today video is really gonna be cool. Today I bought eggs, couples of eggs, and my friend was just about to go in the kitchen, and he's going in and gonna prepare some eggs for me. So the eggs was not looking cool, so he was asking me, is there some weirdness in this eggs? So I thought, yeah, why not show you so what is cool eggs and what is bad, what you can eat, what you cannot. So without any further ado, let's get started. You know guys, this life-saving tips is an experiment at the same time, which means it's also a very fun and amazing things to do. So we got a very cool eggs. Yeah, from outside it looks cool, but maybe there would be some of bad eggs, so we have to check them out. For that we have placed a deep bowl with the water, and we're gonna place these eggs into this water. As you can see, this egg directly goes all the way to the down. Let's do to this and see, it's the same things with this egg also. Now let's try this one. These three, all of them are directly sink to the bottom. See, as you can see, that means you can eat this all eggs. Now try this one out. Oops. So as you can see, these eggs, that when I put into the water, it float to the top like a fish, dead fish, like a boat. It looks like there is nothing inside. That means this egg is really bad. It's very harmful for your health, so you don't want to eat this eggs. It's a bad, put aside. So this is a really cool experiment and very amazing tip in your daily life, very helpful for your daily life. So it's really cool. What you think about this? Very cool, and I thought, why not to make a video on it. Share your thoughts. So I would also like to tell you that if you're gonna place some eggs in the water, and some of them don't go directly sink to the bottom, or don't go in float on the surface, but it would be in a middle, then it can be also eaten. That means you can eat that egg also, but that lies in the middle, just look in between. It would float in between, not directly sink into water, or float into the surface of water. It would be middle. You can also eat that egg. So if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to give your blue thumbs up. This is Vicky Ansari, and I hope you enjoy this video, and share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and let them know about this channel. This is Vicky Ansari, and I will catch you on in my next video. So stay awesome, stay raw. I will catch you in my next video. Meanwhile, my egg is just about to cook. I have to go. So stay tuned. Bye bye. See ya.